Indian Talent Olympiad is a stalwart in the Indian educational landscape, providing a stage for young minds to challenge themselves, grow beyond textbooks, and earn recognition for the hard work of not only themselves but their dedicated teachers and principals. Through its wide-ranging Olympiads in subjects from science to literature and its robust award and certification structure, ITO honors excellence, empower learners, and ultimately contributes to building a better prepared generation. With over 42,000 schools registered and millions of students participating, the organization has built a nationwide network of learners, teachers, and schools. The goal and the missions for ITO are to provide a platform where young learners can showcase their talent, gain confidence, and grow beyond their regular curriculum. To enhance conceptual understanding, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking through thoughtfully designed Olympiad examination and study materials. To promote healthy competition, discover student potential early, and motivate teachers and schools to support talent development. To recognize excellence through awards, scholarships, and certifications, thereby encouraging continuous improvement and learning. It provides subjects covered including science, mathematics, English, general knowledge, computer, drawing, essay, as well as social studies.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Now, we are deeply honored to welcome Dr. Kiran Bedi Ma'am, India's first woman IPS officer. Former Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry and an icon of courage, leadership and integrity. A trailblazer in Indian policing and public service with an illustrious career spanning over 4 decades. She has championed integrity, discipline, and empowerment across her many roles. Renowned for her reforms in prison management and her relentless advocacy for social justice, Dr. Bedi continues to inspire generations with a commitment to nation building and leadership with purpose. A great round of applause to our guest of honor. We are also extended a heartfelt welcome to Padma Bhushan Ms. Saina Nehwal, Olympic medalist and Indian badminton champion. Ms. Saina Nehwal is one of the most India's celebrated athletes, having brought global recognition to Indian badminton as the first Indian woman to achieve a world #1 ranking and Olympic medalist. She has become a symbol of perseverance, hard work, and sporting excellence. Her achievements have inspired millions of young Indians to pursue their dreams and dedication and confidence. A huge round of applause to Ms. Saina Nehwal, ma'am. Now it's time to hear from the visionary behind the Indian Talent Olympiad, a leader who believes that talent is nothing without opportunity. We are truly honored to invite Mr. Jagdish Maskral sir, founder and director of Indian Talent Olympiad, to address the gathering and share his thoughts.
Hello, thank you everyone, especially Kiran Bedi madam and Saina Nehwal madam. When I said that there are a lot of honored principals and teachers who want to meet them, so without saying anything, they said yes, we will join hands, and they came as a chief guest, and so we are also very happy. Lot of principals and teachers today gathered here. It is looking like a festival, and this inspires us to go in a repeated functions, and then invite them and then have a good time with you all. And one thing, my father is also teacher, and we came from a very small place, and then my father motivated me a lot. And basically I'm an engineer, I work for a lot of companies. Then I thought something I can do in the education only. Then I thought let's start some school. It needs funds, so I thought something small will start. Then I resigned my job and then started it. Then it went, and it has become a largest organization in India. So I believe if you work hard and you have a good intention, something is going to work. Maybe not today or tomorrow, in a very long run. So that is the thing. And one more thing, I'm very happy that today education is the only reason we have grown up. India is a progressive country, because today we can see a lot of women empowerment, and I can see around 70% of the women are the principals and teachers here. And also in the stage also, I'm only the one person. So India has changed from 1947 to, in another 100 years, we need a separate, some from the government, we need a, that way it has been changed a lot, and we are very happy. And we hope, there are a lot of guests, and the awardees are there. We will have good time, and then you will be very happy to interact with them, and then award by them. Thank you very much, and we will meet soon also. Thank you.
I now request guest of honor Dr. Kiran Bedi ma'am to share her inspiring thought with us.
Good morning to all of you. What an ocean of education. It's like a samundar of education. And I also guessed, I was telling Saina sitting next to me, that 70% appear to be coming are women. So that basically means the onus of good education is on, yeah. You have to take the responsibility now. When you are the majority, then you are responsible. Now you can't say, you cannot complain because you are the teachers, you are the educators. Isn't it? Fathers are secondary now, mothers are the primary. Now it's a mother primary who's the teacher. Yeah, that's a message. See, even Jagdish and Madhumita work together. They are complementing each other in this India Talent Olympiad. It's a compliment. It's a young couple who don't seem to age at all. Ever since I've met them, they look the same and they look 1 year younger every time I meet them. Very hardworking, very enterprising, very creative, and creating a lot of talent across the country. So I congratulate them on everybody's behalf. We can all thank them and applaud them for the remarkably innovative early leadership and education scholarship they create through this Talent Olympiad. It's I and work, they work together, not only when that I come back here, his students in my program on live channel, on demonstrative learning YouTube channel, we do book reading. So many times we get Jagdish and Madhumita also on my YouTube channel live to talk to children across the length and breadth. So we choose some from your students also. So we are now not only associates of coming for this annual event, we also do year-long book reading sessions on our demonstrative learning YouTube channel live. So students could come from any one of your schools and then we have live discussions, 6 of them with me in conversation and Saina and the channel. So you're welcome through the year before you hear from elsewhere. It's a standing invitation to Madhumita and Jagdish to invite scholarly, brilliant, outstanding students who could come internationally, because when this program of book reading with me goes live to millions across the length and breadth of this globe, because then students from across the world are watching this program. So you're welcome. Once you hear it, we will continue to work with your children through the year. And what is it that's happening in book reading? Children tell us the book they read. What is the book they read? Because we're trying to encourage more reading, from seeing and listening to reading, back to reading. Earlier it was always reading. Now it is a big variety of seeing, listening, etc. But book reading is done saying, which book did you read? Tell us about the book. So they tell us a little excerpt about the book. So in a way, that book has been imbibed. So book reading, and thereafter they have questions to ask me. So when they have questions to ask me, they send in the questions, and sometimes they're very spontaneous. So we do an online direct conversation, because children are always wanting to converse with the people they like to meet, they want to listen, but they can't meet them in person. So they have a question to ask, and what is their question and what is their answer also goes globally, and it's whatever they've said rests on our YouTube channel called Demonstrative Learning. You can see some of our earlier programs on book reading of the earlier episodes. And do you know, this is also a 5 years old program. 5 years old program. When I started this program of book reading was as Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, when I couldn't meet children. As LG, I used to have a habit of continuing to connect with school children and go to schools, etc. But COVID happened. And in COVID, everything shut. We could not move out of the premises and we could not connect, and we had to maintain social distancing. And that is when this channel was formed, to continue our connection with children. And the best part is, whichever children who come on this program once a month, it's all once a month, they remain connected with us on our WhatsApp group, which is then given a message, morning messages through my YouTube, through my social media handling, giving them a morning nutrition, a very good thought to them all, so that they can begin with very positive energy. So that is our relationship between India Talent Olympiad Jagdish and Madhumita. That's why you see me again. Last year also I was here, but this is what we are moving towards, and they support that program in a big way. So that's a supportive program from India Talent Olympiad. And I'm very grateful to you, Jagdish and Madhumita, for supporting that program and even sponsoring that program. Thank you, Madhumita, and thank you, Jagdish. I'm very happy to see Saina with me again. She was here last year too, and you can't have a better person than the world number one woman, world number one, who's along with her family support, and then later on when she went to Gopi Academy and many others, that she brought laurels and became an icon for promotion of badminton around the world and amongst the girls. And you see, ever since she went, she moved on, she has left a trail of girls. Even now, recently, a young junior has made a great mark. So it's all wonderful thanks to she, her father and her mother. And I believe her mother is also here. Where is she? Mummy is here. Mummy, can you stand up and acknowledge? Sabko milo dikhao? Haan. Yes. She is a product of her mother and her father. If you've seen her documentary film, your children must see her documentary film. It's a very good film. It's a film. It's a biopic. It's a biopic. Show your children in your assemblies or ask the children to see the biopic because it's very inspirational. You will then see how the mother struggled to make her a world champion, how the father struggled to make her a champion, and how she struggled to become a champion. So therefore, it's very important that you all see, because I have noticed that reading a book and seeing a film and seeing the life come alive has a very high inspirational value. And your and my role as parents and teachers or as leaders in the community is to inspire. Every day inspire. Every day ignite something new in our children. Something new to think and something positive. Inspirational, positive, so that they stay on track of positivity, of a growth mindset. They keep growing and growing towards positivity and rejecting the negativity. It's the point of I can, I shall, I will do, and I've done it. No, I may, I don't know, I'm not sure. No doubts. A good inspiration, good thought, it continues to multiply. That is what will benefit you. That's what a mother and father is meant for. That is what a school principal and teacher is meant for. And that's what a community leader is meant for. All of us are here to inspire each other. Research shows, friends, that anyone who makes one person happy, actually makes 3 more people happy. That's a positivity currency. It's called positivity currency. It's a currency of positivity. And this is a currency of thoughts. When you are spreading one good thought and I'm inspiring you to be happy, you have actually spread happiness to 3 levels below. Any negativity also has an impact of 3 levels. This is what research is showing, that all of us who, whenever we share positivity and joy, we are not limited to that person. It's not limited to that person. It has a positivity currency. It's a currency. So it's a positivity currency which moves 3 levels ahead. That is why when you see the World Cup victory is made joyful for 1.4 billion people. See what happened? That one event of World Cup Championship has spread the world, because everybody who was happy was spreading currency of happiness. And that is how India was jumping with joy for the word, the way the girls did it and brought this glory. So I'm very grateful to Jagdish and Madhumita that I'm back with you. But as I said, while I'm back with you once in a year, but Jagdish and Madhumita are with us through the year, working, and many times they also come on the line to answer questions, because students are very keen to know this Talent Olympiad. What is Indian Talent Olympiad? So they explain it every time. So then more children take up these scholarships, they take up this early education, they become meritorious early, and they get a takeoff, and they keep growing, and they also outstand. I wish you very well. Continue to inspire your children for early love for academics, early love for merit, early love for hard work, early love for discipline. That is the only way you can create more Sainas and many others and the kind of girls which who won us the glory of the World Cup. I wish you well and continue till we meet again next year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for reminding us that discipline and values are the foundation of every success and for all your motivating words. Now it's time to hear from the pride of India, our champion who made the tricolor shine at the Olympics, Mrs. Saina Nehwal, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. And respected Kiran Bedi, ma'am. And ma'am, sir, thank you so much for having me here this year also. And congratulations to India Talent Olympiad for the second year. And I think last year एक छोटे से रूम में था. And this year it's in the huge stadium. And I hope next year और भी बड़े stadium में हो, sir. I wish you all the best for that. I think to become the best is not easy when you want to start your career early. You know, when I started playing at the age of 9, it was all about पापा की तरह scientist बनना है या कुछ पढ़ाई में जाना है. But my mom, you know, she's a housewife और wife के आगे husband तो बोल नहीं सकते शायद. I have seen that. आज तक पापा ने मुंह नहीं खोला है उनके सामने. तो शी वॉज द वन हु वाज लाइक नहीं, मुझे अपने बच्चे को ओलंपिक्स में कुछ मेडल जीत के आए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. एंड दैट वाज अ ड्रीम ऑफ हर्स एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज आई वाज ओनली 9. But yes, one good quality I had was working hard, and I used to love playing all kind of sports. But it was not, I didn't have any kind of intention कि मुझे professionally ये sport लेना है. It was all about playing with friends after schooling and maybe just for some time pass. But I didn't know my destiny will take me to Hyderabad from Haryana. You know, Haryana में club में खेलते थे मेरे parents, and I used to be like, I'll play any sport but not badminton because they used to play it. तो मुझे नहीं खेलना है, तो I used to run away from there. But when we moved to Hyderabad, you know, I used to fight with my father saying that my friends are here, I don't want to go. But he's like, नहीं बेटा चलना पड़ेगा, मेरा job है, we have to go. Then it's fine. Then journey starts, and we moved to Hyderabad. And then I was requesting him that, you know, I want to play some kind of sport after school. And he was like, karate chal raha hai next to our house. Please go and do that. I'm like, sport मिला तो भी इतना tough, you know, जो यहाँ पे लड़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. And I used to love competing with boys. So उनको मारना और भी अच्छा लगता था मुझे at that point of time. But yeah, you know, 1 year was really tough. I got brown belt in karate. You know, I was only 8 then, and the coaches used to make us do all difficult stunts, you know, jumping on the stomach and make you strong basically. So I was like, Papa, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, it's really difficult for me. And the coaches used to say that, एक और belt रह गया है, please आओ, कर लो, खत्म कर लो. And I was like, नहीं sir, नहीं होगा, please. And that's when, you know, one of my father's friend was like, badminton is quite popular in Hyderabad. Why she doesn't try that, you know, she should go there. And I was like, yaar, फिर से badminton. But it was quite popular. I was like, let us see, summer camp है, काफी बच्चे रहेंगे. So before schooling, you know, I can go there, and after that also maybe if I get selected, I can go back again and have some good time. But I didn't know it will become a part of my life, and someone is taking so seriously about my career from the day one. Initially, the coach was like, हम select नहीं करेंगे because you are late. But you know, my father was like, you know, just see if she's good enough, please take her in this summer camp because she keeps asking, Papa, कोई sport खेलना है. And the coach was quite kind enough for letting me play one shot. And that shot was a smash, which I was also surprised because beginners don't hit smash initially. They come with the tossing or a drop quality, but mera smash tha, and it was all because I used to watch them play. I never held the racket before that, but it was so special that I could learn so much only by watching. So the coach was so impressed, and he was like, "नहीं, इसको तो लेके आओ. She's quite talented, you know." And then the journey started. 1 month of summer camp. Loved the training. I used to train for like 2 hours, and slowly it became 3 hours. Slowly it became 4 hours, and the summer camp just went on. And finally, the tournament came for the championship, if you win it, you will get selected for the regulars. Otherwise, you come next year and try again. And luckily, the girl who beat me in the finals had to go back to Nagpur for studies, and that's how I got into the regulars. So it was a quite dramatic start. And yeah, then there was no looking back. My mom, my coaches, they were so happy with my, hard work. They were like, Saina just wants to compete and she wants to do well. She's just thinking about herself. And she just doesn't care about kaun kya bol raha hai. She's so focused. So that is the attitude actually nowadays I want the kids to have. I feel, obviously phone ka zamana hai, it has to be phone ka zamana because there's everything in phone. But I feel that the times phone ko diya ja raha hai, it has to be little limited, and then a lot of ground activities should be done, whether it's with friends or या अकेले अगर आप में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप जाके रनिंग या कोई ऐसा स्पोर्ट खेलिए जो आपको अच्छा लगे. The time if you start like that early on, it will really help you go long way. क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे मेरी नीसी है, वो 12 साल की 13 साल की है और बोलती है दीदी मुझे नी पेन आ रहा है. इमेजिन, जस्ट एक राउंड नहीं हो रहा है आजकल के बच्चों को अंदर से नी पेन आ रहा है. आजकल क्या, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नी पेन यू हैव? So she is like, नहीं, just दर्द हो रहा है. So there is a lot of reasons you can say and escape it, but I think it's important for parents to be little strict. Friends बनो, जरूर बनो, but I think initial years में आप parents ही रहो, strict रहो. Otherwise there is difficulty, I think, later on, because I see that in a lot of mummies nowadays. मम्मी बोलती हैं ये बच्चा सुनता ही नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा obviously आप friend बनेंगे तो क्यों सुनेगा? And I may sound harsh, but it is the way it is. If you want to see your child as world number 1 or Olympic champion, कैसे होगा वो? It's going to be only when you are strict with them initially. I started at the age of 9, but if you see Chinese, Koreans, Japanese, they start at the age of 3, 4. तो वो तो और भी strict हो गया है. नहीं, हम बोलेंगे बहुत गलत बात है, torture में है. Then torture तो army वाले भी सह रहे हैं. And all of us wants to be in army, navy. कंट्री के लिए लड़ना है तो इतना सेक्रीफाइस तो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो अगर हम उसका सोच रहे हैं तो स्पोर्ट्स में तो आई थिंक उससे नीचे ही है स्पोर्ट्स में थोड़ा. बट या, यू हैव टू पुश योरसेल्फ फिजिकली एवरी डे फॉर 9 to 10 hours. इट्स नॉट इजी. आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. टेलिंग इज इजी बट डूइंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट अगर आप पेरेंट्स में से एक पेरेंट कोई पागल है तो जरूर करवा देगा. पागल होना पड़ता है टू बी एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. इट्स इजी टू से कि मैंने अचीव कर लिया, बट कैसे किया वो रियल स्टोरी बाहर आती नहीं है. समटाइम्स जैसे कि हाँ मैंने अचीव कर लिया, आई हैव रीच्ड दैट पोजीशन, बट हाउ? व्हेन समवन इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड यू, योर मॉम, योर कोच इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड यू, मतलब आप जब प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं कोर्ट के पीछे खड़े हैं, एंड देन वन स्मॉल मिस्टेक दे आर देयर टू स्कोल्ड यू, हिट यू विद द रैकेट. दैट्स हाउ द things should be. Now with experience, I feel ऐसा होना चाहिए. Yes, at that point of time I used to cry, I used to shout back, क्यों कर रहे हो मेरे साथ ऐसा? I don't want to play. But then they used to always tell me that one day you will realize why we did this. Yes, it's tough. Yes, you go through stress, pressure, expectations. सब होता है. But it's part of everyone's life. किसको stress नहीं है, किसको expectations नहीं है. सबको achieve करना है. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं देखा है मैंने, मे बी फैमिलीज में भी ऐसा कोई नहीं देखा है जो अपने आप अचीव ना करना चाहता हो. हस्बैंड वाइफ है तो वाइफ हस्बैंड से बेटर करना चाहती होगी, डेफिनेटली ये रहेगा, दिल में रहेगा, बोलेंगे नहीं. एक बहन दूसरी बहन से बेटर करना चाहेगी, भाई अपने भाई से बेटर करना चाहेगा. सो इट्स नेचुरल, इट हैज टू बी देयर, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट विल टेक यू टू द हाइट्स यू वांट टू रीच. You have to look after yourself first. अगर आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं, be focused. If you have to get up at 3, 4, that's fine. You have to get up because you have to see for the long term. And for me, my mom saw that, my father saw that, and they used to get up with me at 3 in the morning. मुझे ले जाते थे बस स्टॉप पे, and then we used to travel 25 kilometers to the stadium. वहाँ पे जाके ट्रेनिंग करके, they used to wait there. उनको पता था कि आई एम लाइकिंग इट, सो इवन इफ इट इज 3-4 hours. पापा's office used to start at 9 in the morning. He used to wait till 10-11 क्योंकि बच्चे को अच्छा लग रहा है. And I can't thank him enough for sitting there for 2 hours extra. Obviously ऑफिस में कुछ डांट खाते होंगे तो वो नहीं मालूम मुझे, बट he used to be there. And then evening में मम्मी का काम है, मम्मी स्कूल आती थी, मुझे लेके जाती थी ऑटो में 25 kilometers. Again going and coming. And at that point of time, I didn't have a physio, कोई nutrition नहीं, कुछ नहीं, role model नहीं. There was nobody before me जिसको मैं एक role model मान के बोल सकूं कि I have to become like her. You know, obviously we had Prakash sir, Gopi sir doing well, but ऐसा लगता था कि Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Denmark players ये सब dominate कर रहे हैं. So where is the actual ड्रीम, यू नो, कहाँ से मैं सोच सकूं कि मैं इतनी बड़ी प्लेयर बन सकती हूँ. बट मुझे पुश किया गया. मैंने खुद 2-3 साल में वो नोटिस किया कि मेरे अंदर वो फीलिंग आने लगा कि आई वॉन्ट टू बी द बेस्ट, नो बडी कैन स्टॉप मी. उसके लिए मुझे रोना पड़े, इफ आई हैव टू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. मम्मी रात भर नहीं सोती थी, मेरा मसाज करती थी बिकॉज शी न्यू दैट देयर इज नो फिजियो. मम्मी कोचेस मेरे न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट भी थे, वो भी मेरा खाना बोलते थे कि बेटा वेजिटेरियन से तो नहीं होगा, थोड़ा बहुत प्रोटीन भी खाना पड़ेगा टू बी अ प्लेयर. इमेजिन, अब तो सब कुछ चीजें आ गई हैं आपको. पर्सनली 1-on-1 कोचेस भी है, ट्रेनर्स भी है, फिजियोज भी है. बट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इन 99, यू नो, आई विश आई हैड ऑल ऑफ दैट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो शायद रिजल्ट, यू नो, आई प्लेड माई फर्स्ट ओलंपिक्स व्हेन आई वाज 18. I think I could have played at the age of 14. तो जो भी अचीव करना है, it's like कभी भी अचीव कर सकते हैं. It should not be like planned कि मैं 18 में करूंगी या 19 में करूंगी. It should be like मैं अभी करूंगी. It's okay if you're 11, 12, 13, but there are people to help you, support you, right? There are people to back you up, and the biggest supporters are your parents. उनसे बड़ा कोई है नहीं, ना कभी होगा. कोई भी आपके प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, सॉल्यूशंस हैं, उन्हीं के पास है. क्योंकि आई फील उनके ऊपर आप डांट भी मार सकते हो, उनको आप रुला भी सकते हो, बट स्टिल विल कम बैक टू यू एंड आस्क, बेटा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या. सो दिस इज हाउ द लव इज ऑफ पेरेंट्स. द ओनली पीपल whom you can share everything with, and the life becomes easier. क्योंकि मैंने 500 मैचेस खेले होंगे अपने करियर में, and imagine how many times I must have called them and said, I'm not good enough, you know, I'm not talented enough to win it. It's impossible, I can't do it. Then mummy used to be like, हाँ तू छोड़ ही दे, तू वेस्ट ही है. And papa used to be like, बेटा होगा, possible होगा, do it. So I needed both ways, right? One is telling नहीं होगा, तो मैंने गुस्से में बोला मुझसे होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा? You know, I'll go to the gym and immediately run for an hour and see how it is. And I used to go to the gym immediately, do all kind of workout which helps me get motivated and खाना खाने का मन करे. नहीं तो खाना खाने का भी मन नहीं करता है, because how come you're losing it? 24/7 you're thinking about your matches. 24/7 you're thinking about कोई injury ना हो जाए. Recovery is important. Next session अच्छा होना चाहिए. So if the tournaments have to go well, you have to really do good training for that. So I always had that in my mind. अगर training अच्छा रहेगा तो definitely tournament में results आएंगे. I never thought about tournaments because that was secondary. Yes, everyone thinks Olympics का dream रहता है, everyone wants to achieve it. It comes once in 4 years. One take है आपके पास, और कोई takes भी नहीं है. काफी players के life में तो second time आता भी नहीं है Olympics. And if you're blessed, you get it for the second or third time. But for that, you have to make sure that you have to take all these kinds of pressure, expectation, stress. चाहे कोई भी situation हो, you have to get up next day and you have to go for the training. इनिशियली तो संडेज को भी ट्रेनिंग किया मैंने, एंड आई वाज लाइक ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है, हाउ कैन आई रिकवर द नेक्स्ट डे. बट द मोमेंट यू वार्म अप, यू आर देयर ऑन कोर्ट एंड यू आर अगेन रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे चैलेंज. अच्छा लगता था ये सब फील, यू नो, इट्स बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे यू वांट टू रियली रिलैक्स एंड स्लीप. अच्छा लगता था पुश करना. बट मैंने हारे होंगे इतने सारे मैचेस, बट हमेशा ये एक जो मोटिवेटिंग वर्ड्स मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स से, कोचेस से मिलते रहे हैं कि 9 साल में उन्होंने ये सोच भी लिया था कि मैं ओलंपिक की कुछ मेडलिस्ट बनूंगी या वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 बनूंगी. उन्होंने मुझे 9 साल में ही बोल दिया था, और मैंने उसको अचीव भी किया. तो कभी कभी सोचिए, कोई बोलने वाला कोई एक्सपर्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई भी आपको मोटिवेट कर सकता है. एक हाउसवाइफ ने मुझे मोटिवेट किया, शी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट मी. मेरे को किसी ने, नोबडी वाज देयर एज अ वर्ल्ड चैंपियन और ओलंपिक चैंपियन जिसने बोला कि तू ओलंपिक चैंपियन बनेगी. So I don't think we should wait for someone like that to tell us that yes, you will become something in your career. Anyone can motivate you or give you that kind of boost you want in your career. But later on, when I look back now, you know, being in top 10 for almost 11-12 years, having a 20-year long career, achieving so many Super Series titles, waiting to become world number one for almost 7 years after becoming world number two, losing 8 world championship quarterfinals before getting the first world championship medal. I mean, it's not easy. You get sleepless nights while having food. You're thinking about kal kiske saath hai, because you have 17 tournaments in a year. So every moment you're only thinking about kal kya hoga, sahi hoga ki nahi hoga. I hope I live up to the expectations. I hope I get the Olympic medal. And when you're playing the Olympics, you have so many people sitting around there and cheering for you. And sometimes you think, I have to win for them. That feeling, I think no player can describe, because it's one of the best feelings in the world when you play in front of so many people looking at you and they are having that hopes कि साइना country के लिए कुछ achieve कर सके. And I could do that in my second Olympics, getting the bronze medal for the country. I was so proud that I could do it and I could be the first one to achieve it. And after that, as you see, there is no looking back in badminton. We have become the second most loved sport in the country. There's so many people who want to become world champions, Olympic champions now, and it's happening. But I just want to say कि कोई भी चीज you can't just aim कि कल ही होगा. You have to wait. Patience is the key. बाकी सब obviously find your ways. Whether you want to go to gym, whether you want to do meditation, whether you want to talk to your parents, whether you want to talk to yourself, because आप ही अपने बड़े दुश्मन हैं और कोई नहीं है. This is not, you can't blame your parents or your teachers for that. You are the one. If you think तुमसे नहीं होगा. I think you should just better sit and watch TV then. वो तो बहुत easy है. I think everyone is doing that. My father also does that after retirement. But if you fight it out and if you come out of that difficult moment and challenge yourself, I think anything is possible. That one word, anything is possible, is something, I believed in. I worked with that. I was not the most talented person. I had to work on my stroke for almost every day, same drop shot, same dribble, same lift. Why? Because the others are talented there. There are so many girls who are talented with good hand, but I had to do it like 1,000 numbers of time, and they are doing it for like maybe 100 times. That's because they are talented, I am not. But I am good at running, I am good at picking up shots, I am good at making my opponent tired. Yes, I have that one quality, but हम दूसरी develop कर सकते हैं by working on it. So never think that कि मेरे पास तो एक ही है, but दूसरी भी कर सकते हैं if you want to work on it every day with your coach. Analyze it, watch your matches. It's a never ending work, in any field, not only in sports but also in studies. I feel, many people say, दीदी रात में भी पढ़ना पड़ता है, but क्यों पढ़ना पड़ता है रात में? When you have so much of time day में, तो रात में सो ना. Why do you have to get up in night and read it and say like दीदी रात में भी पढ़ा, रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया? Obviously अच्छा नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आप नींद में हैं. आप पूरा दिन पढ़िए, इतने घंटे हैं आपके पास, and then night में जो सोने का टाइम है, please recover, rest well, have good food. But I just feel that you need 30 minutes to 1 hour of some kind of workout. आपको पसीना आना ही है to feel good. You can't be sitting in AC room full day. It's not going to work. You have to go out, do cycling, do walking, do running, play any sport to be fit, to feel fresh, to feel more focused. That's how studies में भी improvement होगा. That's why I think I never failed till 10th. गई 5 दिन थी मैं स्कूल, CBSE में थी मैं, and पापा वो like पक्का फेल होगी ये तो. When my teachers were also hopeless, but imagine I passed out with 67% in 10th standard, and I was so proud. So being a sports person, you just get that extra, I think, focus, feeling, and थोड़ा meditative feeling रहता है, because 8-9 hours you're just playing on the court, not talking to anyone. But I request everyone to, जितना भी हो सके आप वर्कआउट कीजिए, अपने आप से बातें कीजिए, अपने फैमिली से जो भी डिफिकल्ट मोमेंट्स है, प्लीज एक्सप्रेस इट. रोना है तो रोइए, हंसना है तो हंसिए, बिकॉज दोज आर द इमोशंस यू हैव टू शो. Otherwise it is tough, if you keep it in yourself, it's not going to work. मैंने अपनी फैमिली में देखा है, it's tough, it's not easy. Sometimes they feel कि मुझसे नहीं हो पाया. क्यों नहीं हो पाया? क्योंकि आपने ट्राई नहीं किया. So please keep working hard. It's very important. आप अपने बच्चों से कहिए कि अच्छा करें, अपने आप में बिलीफ रखें कि पॉसिबल हो सकता है. एंड आप सब लोगों को मैं क्या बोलूँ, आप तो एक्सपर्ट होंगे अपने फील्ड में, बट this is my story, to be a champion, you have to be in any field, you have to sacrifice a lot of things. Be ready for that. No movies, no parties, no, matlab no. जब आपने achieve किया, enjoy your life. That is when you have to enjoy and show कि मैंने किया. So these are my words. I hope कुछ बच्चे और मोटिवेट होए और स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा पढ़ाई करें, एंड फ्यूचर में आई वुड लव टू सी इंडिया एज अ स्पोर्टिंग नेशन एंड नॉट जस्ट 6-7 मेडल्स. आई होप वी गेट 30-40 मेडल्स इन द ओलंपिक्स. सो थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
So now we move on to the most awaited moment of the day, the award ceremony. Each award here represents year of patience, passion and perseverance.
This is Vishwanath PVSS, Principal of Hopi Jandar Bharati Vidya Mandir, coming from Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagara. And I am very delighted to tell you that ITO is a very good platform to all the children for achieving their goals, future goals and future mathematical science and other goals for the best professional life. And also we thank ITO team for the best support and best hospitality here. They have taken the responsibility. I would like to thank our management, Shri Dinesh Sharma Garu and Gopal Krishna Garu for giving me the opportunity of conducting this ITO Olympiad test in our school and to come here. And really it is a wonderful thing that we had a great time with you all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Anika Tere from Mar Gregorius Memorial School, and I belong to the Vadodara city, which is also known as the Sanskar Nagari, and it is known for heritage Garba. And I am honored today to have recognized for the teacher and for the coordinator. I thank the Indian Talent Olympiad Institution and the committee for selecting me for Best Award for the Best Teacher as well as the coordinator. And winning the award is credit for not only for the teacher, but it is the hard work from the principal, the students, the colleague teachers, and I thank all of them, and I dedicate my award to my lovely students. Thank you very much.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Myself Shreya Chaurasia from Social English Medium School, Dhule. I am very happy to receive this award. Special thanks to Indian Talent Olympiad Foundation as well as my parents and my grandparents for their blessings, and would be working hard and would be continuing to do all the best for all of my students. Thank you.
इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल शिरूर, जिल्हा पुणे ह्या शाळेमधून आले. इंडियन टॅलेंट ऑलिम्पियाड यांनी आमच्यावरती विश्वास दाखवून आज आम्हाला बेस्ट टीचर अवॉर्ड घोषित केल्याबद्दल मी इंडियन टॅलेंट ऑलिम्पियाडचं व सर्व उपस्थित मान्यवरांचं व कार्यक्रमात हजेरी लावलेल्या किरण बेरी यांचं सर्वांचं मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद मानते. थँक्यू सो मच.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Bhumika Rane and I am from Udan the 7 Habit Foundation School in Indore. मैं बहुत आज भाग्यशाली अपने आप को समझती हूँ ITO ने जो मुझे इतना अच्छा मौका दिया बेस्ट टीचर अवार्ड का, और साथ साथ में मैं अपने प्रिंसिपल ज्योति तिवारी मैम और डायरेक्टर विधि मैम और डायरेक्टर सोनिया हजीला मैम सबका खूब खूब धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ. थैंक यू ITO एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन.